Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. As you can tell, I'm in my office and I found some footage that I wanted to update for the 2005 to 2010 V6 Mustang, the timing video specifically. I forgot to add in this footage for the oil reduction tube that comes in your timing kit. So anyway, I wanted to make sure that this is included for you guys. This is going to be just a short video that's just an update for that. That way you guys know how to install this. And it's kind of a pain in this video. I got stuck on having the plug start rounding out on me, so it took a little bit for me to get that installed. It is very easy to do, but I want to make sure that you guys see this. So here we go. Okay, going back to the timing chain section, I forgot to mention the oil reduction tube. So this comes in our timing kit, and this is a oil reduction tube, and it is located right next to the driver's side tensioner. You see that Torx bit right there? So that is just a plug. That's a Torx plug, and it is a T30. You're going to take it out, take this guy out, put the new one in, install this, and this gets torqued to 132 inch-pounds. So let's do that real quick. All right, there's really not a good spot to get a shot of this, but at least you get the gist of where you need to take it out at. I do not want to strip this plug out. That's the last thing I want to do. Oh, come on. Get out of here, fuel. Now I smell like gas. Wow, that is literally just stripping it out. Great. Wow, I finally got it. I've been struggling with it because it stripped itself out. So I just jammed a bigger, like a T35 into it, and it finally just broke loose. There we go. I was about to give up on that thing too. All right, there's that old one. Now let's throw our new one in. All right, 132 inch-pounds. I don't like that. It just keeps going. Okay, there we go. Wow, yeah, it literally just kept going in, and I'm like, is it going to stop? All right, we're all done. All right, and of course, I did not include an outro. I was working a lot that week, so of course, you know, you miss things. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the follow-up. If you did not watch the timing video, I would have had it popped up somewhere during the video anyway, so you can go click on it and watch it. But if you guys want to support the channel, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. It'll take you to my shop. You can pick up one of my hats, one of my shirts, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.